Now let's check the perspective projection by doing an exercise that indicates the 2-point type here. This is the most common type of the projection because this is how we see the actual objects. Here you can see the design of Le Corbusier, Villiers-Savoye, and this is its actual photograph. And here you can see a sketch which has been done by the 2-point perspective projection of this design. Here you can see another perspective drawing, and you can easily understand that if you combine all these lines, you will find the originating point. There will be 2 points for the projection of this object. Let's do this over an exercise. If you want, you can do it with me simultaneously. We are going to draw a 2-point perspective of this prism that we have been dealing with in our some of previous exercises. There are certain rules again for this type of projection. First, we can have a A4 drawing paper here, and we can fix it on our table. After that, we need to draw a line here that is 80 millimeter down or the upper edge. Just measure an 8 centimeter here and draw a horizontal line, and you need to name it as a picture plane. This line will indicate a picture plane. After that, you can measure a 7.5 centimeter length on the starting from the left side of the paper towards the right, and you need to indicate that point. And starting from this point, you need to draw the upper view of this prism. And this point here will indicate this corner here. That point will be the corner of this prism here. And you need to position this upper view by using these angles. 30 degree on the right side, and this edge here will be represented by this line in its true size, which is 2 centimeter long, and this other edge here will be represented by an inclined line of 60 degrees. And again, it will be in its true size. So you need to draw a 4 centimeter line. After that, you can finish the rectangle, and this is the upper view of the object. In the third step, you need to determine a station point, which you can do it like this. You need to measure a 70 millimeter length, starting from this corner towards the bottom side of the paper. And this point here will be your station point. For the fourth step, we need to determine the positions of vanishing points. And this is how we do it. We need to draw a line that is parallel to this short side of the rectangle, so that if you can say that if this is a 30-degree angle, then we can have a 30-degree angle here as well. And you need to draw another line that is perpendicular to the longer side of the rectangle, so that we can be sure if this is a 60-degree angle, then this is also a 60-degree angle. And we need to keep going till we intersect with the picture plane, this line here. Once we do this, we can draw two vertical lines towards the bottom of the paper. And after that, in the fifth step, we need to draw a ground line, which is something like this. We need to measure a 20 millimeter length towards the upper side of the paper and draw a horizontal line, a parallel line to the picture plane, and we are going to name it as a ground line. Since we have the ground line, now we can draw a horizontal or horizon line. For this, we need to measure a 5 centimeter length towards the upper side of the paper and draw another horizontal line, which we will call a horizon line. In the seventh step, we need to determine the positions of the vanishing points, and these are the intersection between these two vertical lines and the horizon line. We can name the first one as left vanishing point and the other one as the right vanishing point. After that, we can draw the edge of the prism that touches the picture plane. Here, we can say that this corner here is in fact this edge, this vertical edge of the prism. So that is the edge that is touching, that is connecting to the picture plane. So we can draw this in its true size because it is on the picture plane. So we need to draw this edge in its true size, which is 30 millimeter long. For this, we need to draw a horizontal line down to the ground line. And by using our set square, we need to measure a 30 millimeter long distance and draw this line here. And that will represent this edge of our prism. Once we get this in its true size, now we can combine the ends of this line to our left and right vanishing points, such as like this. And please do not forget that for all these lines, I am using gray and thin guiding lines because I am just preparing a base for my drawing. So I need to use thin and gray lines. In the 10th step, I need to combine the back corner of the prism with the station point. Here, this corner, and I know that this corner, this point indicates this other vertical edge of the prism. So I need to combine this corner with my station point, and I need to transfer this intersection, its intersection with the picture plane down to the ground line. I need to transfer this by using my guiding line here. And there appears the left side, this orange side of the prism. I can, by using these guiding lines, I can draw this orange side, its frame, its boundaries here. And after that, I need to keep repeating the last 3 steps for each corner of this prism. Here, first I need to combine this corner, which is this one, this edge here, actually, this corner with my station point. I need to transfer this this point down to the ground line, and there appears the green surface of the prism. After I get all the guiding lines, I can use my middle thickness, middle darkness lines to indicate this surface here. And there is left just one corner. I need to combine this one with my station point. I need to transfer this direction down to the ground line. And after that, I can combine this edge and here with the right vanishing point, this one here with the opposite vanishing point, the left vanishing point, and you can see that all these three lines, this one here, and the one that I just transferred from the upper part of the drawing, they are intersecting in the same point, and so that I can redraw the upper surface, the purple surface of the prism with thicker and darker lines. And to indicate the unseen edges of the prism, I need to combine this corner with its opposite vanishing point and this one here with the right vanishing point. And this line still indicates the direction, the position of the back edge. Since I cannot see them, I need to use dashed lines to indicate them. And after that, I can just do the coloring. And all these 13 steps, or let's say 10 steps, are the rules to draw a two-point perspective of an object.